Hello, I hope you're well. Yesterday we continued with this page, the daily routine. So we had done this in class. Aquesta l'havíem fet a classe, Daisy Belinda, i aquesta l'havíeu de fer a casa. So 17 is get up at 8. He gets up. 18, he has a shave, have a shave. 19, take the dog for a walk. You can say walk the dog too, walk the dog. 20 is have breakfast, have breakfast. 21 is walk to work. 22 is go home early. 23 is go to Italian classes. 24 is see friends. You can also say meet friends, go to the pub, have a drink with friends. 25 is make dinner. 26 is relax. 27 is have a bath. And 28 is sleep for 8 hours. And then everyone told us their ideal routine. So everyone, todo el mundo nos contó su rutina ideal. Tothom ens va contar la seva rutina ideal d'un dia perfecte, d'un dia perfecto. For example, I get up at 11, I have breakfast with my friends, I have lunch at 1 and I have ramen for lunch because it's my favorite food. I go to the cinema at 5, I get some coffee with my friends at 7, etc. And then we also did this. We did the time. We have the clock and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. We don't have 24 hours, we have 12 and 12. D'acord? En anglès no deim a les 16 hores, d'acord? No s'escriu ni se diu, deim les 4. Com sabem si són els de matí o sobre baixa? Pues si és de les 12 del vespre, midnight, to noon, de les 12 del vespre a les 12 del matí, 12 del vespre se diu midnight, 12 del matí se diu noon, és AM. I a partir de les 12 del matí fins a les 12 del vespre, PM. So 1 PM són la 1 del migdia, 1 AM, la 1 de la matinada, d'acord? I podem dir a les hores de dues maneres. Per exemple, això són les 6 i mitja, no? Podem dir it's 6:30, són les 6 i mitja, o podem dir it's 6:30, 6:30, 6:30, 6:15, 6:20, 6 o'clock, 6:05, for example, 6:10, 7:55, d'acord? I si ho dèiem tipus 6:30, dèiem o'clock, yeah? Here, 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:20, 25:06, 6:30. I a partir d'aquí, comptam cap a la següent hora. So it's 25 to 7, 20 to 7, quarter to 7, 10 to 7, 5 to 7, 7 o'clock. D'acord? Per tant, aquí tenim it's a quarter to 7. So let's see, 6:45, a quarter to 7. Number 2 is 6:30. Number 3, it's a 6:15. Number 4, it's 25 to 7. Number 5 is 6 o'clock. Number 6 is 20 past 6. Number 7 is 5 to 7. Number 8 is 10 past 6. And number 9 is 3 minutes past 6. Yeah. And then here are expressions of frequency. How often do we do things? How often, en quina freqüència fem les coses? How often? We can say every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We can say every week, cada setmana. We can say every month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We can say every year, 2017, 2018, 2019, or 2017, 2018, 2019. Once a week, one time a week. Twice a week, 2 times a week. 3 times a week, 4 times a year. We can say once a year, once a day, once a month. Yeah, twice a week, twice a month, twice a day, twice a year. With all of this. And then adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency go from 100 to 0. So we have always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, and never. Sempre, normalment, sovint, de vegades, quasi mai, mai. Yeah? Això ho faig sempre, això ho faig sovint, això normalment, això sovint, això de vegades, això quasi mai i això mai. Adverbs of frequency go between the subject, I, and the verb. Van entre subjecte i el verb. I always get up at 7. I often go to the cinema. I usually finish. I sometimes meet. I hardly ever go. I never have. Mains, except in the verb to be. Menos en el verbo to be. Menys en el verb to be, que van darrere. I am always late. I am always late. He is usually right. We are never home. D'acord? Sempre van entre el subjecte i el verb, menys en el verb to be, que van darrere el verb. I vam fer aquesta. I always get up at 7 during the week. I start work at 8 every day. I often go to the cinema after work, about 7 or 8 times a month, because it's often 7 or 10 times a month. I usually finish work at 6, but on Fridays we stop at 3. I sometimes meet a friend for lunch about once or twice a month, because it's sometimes. I hardly ever go to the theater, only once or twice a year. Hardly ever. I never have coffee. I don't like it. I don't like it. And then vàrem fer els mesos: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we said when our birthday was. So my birthday is on the 30th of January 1992. Yeah. Remember the years: 1992, 1954, 1965, 1971, 1986. Yeah. Except from the 2000, 2010, which we say 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. So someone in the class was born in 2002, so she said my birthday is on April, the 8th of April, 2002, for example. And we did this test, this quiz. How often do you have breakfast? Hardly ever, never, sometimes, usually, always. How often do you eat fresh fruit and vegetables? Hardly ever, never. Once a day, 3 times a day. How often do you eat fast food? Often, sometimes, not often, hardly ever, never. How often do you do exercise? Hardly ever, never. Once or twice a week, 3 or 4 times a week. How often do you feel tired or stressed? Always, often, sometimes, hardly ever, never. How often do you drink alcohol? Every day, sometimes, hardly ever, never. How often do you see your friends? Sometimes, often, very often. How many hours do you sleep? Do you usually sleep a day? 0 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 9. How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? More than 5. Usually 1 or 2. Only don't drink coffee. Which of these is true for you? I'm not very positive about life. I'm usually positive about life. I'm always positive about life. And every A answer is 5 points, every B answer is 7 points, and every C answer is 10 points, and then the total score is the number of years you will live, okay? Cada resposta A val 5 punts, cada B val 7 i cada C val 10. I en teoria, si ho sumam tot, és els anys que viurem. It's very silly, okay? No mos hem de prendre en sèrio. And then we watched this video, el teniu a l'aula, we watched this video, we didn't do anything else, el vàrem mirar i el vàrem traduir perquè no tenia subtítols. We watched this video and we translated out loud, xerrat, because it doesn't have subtitles. So if you go to your aula here, here's the listening, yeah. So that's everything we did. It's in the diari d'aula, yeah. We chilled out routine, we talked about perfect days, tell the times, frequency, average of frequency, the quiz, and the video. So see you on Wednesday. Bye.